If you're wanting to do Google Ads keyword research, there's pretty much no better tool than Keyword Planner, which is a built-in tool within Google Ads. So it would make sense why it's probably one of the best tools to use. I mean, if Google's going to give us direct data right from the source, then we should probably take it. So, in general, when I'm doing keyword research for a Google Ads campaign, this is typically where I start. Well, here and Google itself, right? So let's just kind of run through a little scenario. I'll kind of show you how I would do this so that you can do some Google Ads keyword research yourself, get comfortable with it, and then be able to kind of figure out whatever information you need about given keywords. So we've got Google here now, and I'm just going to use a random example. Phoenix Auto Detailing. Let's say your company offers auto detailing in Phoenix, Arizona, and this is what you're looking to, you're looking to show up here in the rankings, get traffic, get leads, get customers, that sort of thing. So first things first, I like to just come, take a look, do the search, see what's showing up. So we can look at some of these competitors, take a look at so first thing I notice when I type in Phoenix Auto Detailing, car detailing, it gets highlighted here. So we know that's going to be a synonym. So not just auto detailing, we need to go after car detailing as well. So I'm like picking up on some keywords here, and I haven't even really started doing any keyword research. Now, one of the reasons I opened this is because there is a tool called Keywords Everywhere. And with this tool, you can actually get search data right on Google, which is kind of cool and can be really beneficial. So you can see this term gets about 480 searches per month. The cost per click is going to be about $3.70, and the competition is at 0.29. And we can actually see the search trends, and then they also give us some suggestions here too, which is kind of cool. Phoenix Mobile Auto Detailing. You can just like open this up. Boom, now you see, and this is tying into Google's API from what I understand, so it's getting pretty accurate data here anyways. And in fact, if we do a search here, we can get the Keywords Everywhere data to display in Keyword Planner, which is kind of cool. So now that we have some ideas, so we're looking like a Phoenix Auto Detailing, Phoenix Mobile Auto Detailing, Phoenix Car Detailing. Those seem to kind of be the terms that we would want to go after here. So we will, let's just start with Phoenix Auto Detailing. Actually, no. I like to start with a couple. Phoenix Auto Detailing, like car detailing. And then, so if you start with 2 or 3, then it's going to sort of get the concepts that you're going after here. So we put those in, we click go, and boom, now we get all this data, right? And all of this information is super helpful, especially when you're running ads on Google. So first of all, I just take a look and see if there's any noticeable trend for the search volume. Sometimes you'll notice in the winter it drops way off, or like holidays it takes a huge spike. So you can sort of get a sense. Now this is in Phoenix, Arizona, where it's warm and sunny pretty much all the time. So this looks pretty flat with like November having a little bit of a dip. So that's good to know. And then as we come through here, we can see these terms that we actually put in here. It's going to list first, and it's going to have those terms as well as their search volume with a little graph. So if you hover over the graph, you'll be able to see how this is changing over time. So you can tell this has been increasing. And if you look at the year-over-year change, the search volume for this term is up 84% over this month last year. So that's a good sign, right? Now, if you see that every single term in your niche is decreasing year over year, maybe something to worry about. So that's helpful information to have. You can see the search volume, the 3-month change and the year-over-year change, as well as the competition. So competition is going to be the competition on the Google Ads platform. So the more people that are advertising on a term, usually the more valuable it is, because if it's making people money, everybody wants to go after it, right? So low competition is not necessarily a good thing in this case. Normally, low competition is a good thing in business, right? But in this situation, medium and high competition might actually be a better situation. But low competition tends to have lower cost per click. And that brings us to these next two columns. Top of page bid, low range and high range. Now, this is how much you're going to have to pay per click on average. And it's giving us a range, so between $1.67 and $4. So if your ads kick butt and you're doing great, it'll cost you like $1.67 for a click. If your ads suck, it could cost you like $4 a click. That's basically what this difference here means in layman's terms. So that's what all these columns here mean. You can also select these, save them, create little keyword plans, all sorts of different stuff. I personally, what I like to do is put my terms in here and then export them as a spreadsheet. So if you click this, you can export them as a CSV, open them as a spreadsheet, or you can just go directly to Google Sheets, open it up, and then I go line by line through every single keyword, and I just start deleting all the ones that aren't relevant, and then you're left with all the ones that are relevant. And then you can look through those, figure out what you want to do with them. So that's sort of the process of doing Google Ads keyword research from a high level, as far as like the technical aspect. As far as strategy, that's something for a whole other video. But in general, I hope you found this video helpful. If there was anything that you had questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. You can just drop your questions in the comments down below. I'll be sure to get back to them there. Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here, and really just see that this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and we'll look forward to working with you.